so we got about 5 psi, it looks like, in the line. We're closed up. The pressure is holding. Close the oxygen. All right, let's go ahead and move our tripod. Nothing, all right. All right, there's our flare. All right, there's our flare. Let's add some oxygen. A little bit too rich. I don't know if you can see that. Good. About 6 psi. That's about 10 psi. About 3 psi. Uh-oh. We turn it off. All right, let's turn it back down. Fire. All right, so there's that. Yes, I clamped it outside. Way down in the holes where I made it. Yeah, don't worry about it too much. So that's that. Yep, so test burn number 1 is good. So we did run it for a minute or two. Basic cooled it a touch here. Right? Hot. The flare is definitely hot. But I think we can say that the flame is not running down into here, which is a positive. The JB Weld job, it's done, right? I might have to redo it though. I did turn it. That's all the way tightened down. That's tightened down. The gas valve. Yeah, I'm assuming. Oh, there we go. Closed. And then the oxygen valve is now going to be closed as well. So there we go. Now I'm going to stick it in a forge and see what happens. All right, test 2 ready 2. Okay, so we have that down on the bottom. Let's put a fire down there. Fire. Handy dandy cap. All right, let's give it some gas. Give it just 1 psi and open the gas. Uh-oh, the fire turned out. All right, so the torch is on. All right. Might need a yeah, the flow. I think we're mixing enough oxygen. So what seems to be happening is we are burning up all the oxygen in the hole before we actually feed the O2 in, and it's coming up and flaring out the top. So maybe I got to try reducing to about 1 psi, which I don't think I tried at the time. I think I was up at 5, but we can kick it down to 1 and try that. We'll try that later today sometime. But you'll see it's flaring there really big, right? And that's with the oxygen opened all the way. I did take the oxygen off. I got the same result pretty much. I'm not getting oxygen fast enough. The other thing I could try doing is putting in some pressure for the O2 to push into it, but we'll see how that goes. Basically right here, I'm shutting down the system. So we'll see what happens with some further science. Close it all up. Now, this is going to be hot. Beans.